Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can upload video on Facebook page. So first step you need to do is to open your Facebook application and click on your profile picture. From here you need to click on this arrow and you need to switch to your Facebook page. So I'm going to select this page and now I am on my page. Click on your page icon on the top right. Select your page, scroll down and here you can see what's on your mind. Click here and click on photo and video. So I want to upload video, so I'm going to select this video from my smartphone and here you can see that you can add something about the video. So I'm going to add awesome view and click on next, and here you can see that who can see your post, so public, and then you simply need to click on post. Once you click on that, your video will be shared onto your page. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.